Hi guys, welcome to this Excel course. In this very short video we are going to take an introductory look at the find replace commands in Excel. This can be useful where you might want to replace a particular value in your workbook with something else, or potentially maybe where you are made a spelling mistake and you want to replace it with the correct spelling. So in this example we have this in a couple of cells is meshed together. We don't want this. We want the space to appear where it should. So to open the find and replace box, we hold Ctrl plus H, which is the keyboard shortcut to open your find or replace box. We put in it what we want to replace, in this example with no space, and then what we want to replace with it. Now in this instance, we want to replace every instance where it is appear in our workbook. So we are going to click replace all. But just to show you very quickly, you can actually find where this appear within your workbook by clicking the find next, and it will show you where they appear. I'm going to place them individually by hitting the replace button. So this instance we are going to hit replace all, and you see is made two replacements in our workbook. There are a number of other options for your find to replace, including whether you want to just search in your current sheet or workbook, whether you want to look in formulas or not, whether you want to match the case, or be the contents of the entire cell rather than just a small part of it, and a number of different formatting options. If you would like to dive into this a little bit more details in other video, please do let me know in the comment section. So that is a simple introduction to find and replace. I hope you find this video useful, and I will see you in the next one.